Good morning. Good morning, all of you. So now we will discuss a few MCQ questions which are related to the chapter which we have completed, measurement and the distances. So now motion and that is all. So now let us come to here. What is the first question here means? Observe, all of you, read the question. What is that? Which of the following types of motion is not exhibited by the earth moving around the sun? They are saying. Which of the following type of motion
Rectilinear motion, sir.
not exhibited? So you may observe.
Rectilinear.
Understand, right? So this is the sun and this is the earth. So earth is in what? After every 365 days, it will come same thing. So motion.
Periodic.
Rotational motion. Next, it is always following
Circular
path. So circular motion. So only the motion
Rectilinear.
not exhibited by earth around moving around the sun is what? The correct answer is
Rectilinear.
understanding. Correct answers I will encircle wrong. So this is what. Okay, like this will make it. That is better. So this is what the answer. Understand, Pranav? Do you understand or not? So this is the first question in
Yes, sir.
and the measurement of distances. Now, Naren, read the second question. The girth of a tree can be measured by using a. The girth of a tree can be measured by using a. Girth means, like, suppose, see, if you go to the near tailor will measure your wrist size, correct or not? Your pant size 28, 22, like that they will say, correct? Like that, if you want to measure the size of a tree, somewhere the round shape, that is what? How we can measure? How you can measure?
Measure with this.
The tree will be like that. The tree will be like this. So you want to measure this is called as girth. So how you can measure, Sanat?
Measuring tape. Measuring tape. Measuring tape.
Measuring tape. That is very good. So measuring tape is the correct one because this plastic ruler and meter scale and meter rod, this cannot bend. These are used for measuring the straight objects, the objects which are present in linear. But this is what the girth of a tree means. This is, suppose, let me imagine this is the tree. If you imagine, so the size of this one, how much big it is, this is what? It is in circular shape, correct or not? So that is why we are using what? Measuring tape. Understand, Narayan? Sanat? Any doubt you can ask? So now, let us come to here. Pranav, you have to speak. Sanat also. Now, next question. Which of the following modes of transport is not on the invention of wheel? Invention of wheel. Can you able to say? Invention of wheel. Which of them is not there? Invention of wheel. Not based on the invention of wheel. What is that?
Boat.
Why?
Boat.
Able to say? Because bull cart.
Boat, sir.
Work on the wheels only. So it is not. Boat is only the thing
Boat.
moving in a water. So which is not required any kind of wheels. Yes or no? So this is floating in the water. Is it yes or no? Remaining all you take bus. Bus is not. You take bicycle. Hey, somebody making noise in the pa. So if you take the bicycle is also wheels, like that bull cart wheels. Yes or no? So only thing is boat. Boat is the correct answer. Which not based on the invention of wheel. Understand, Sanat? Now next one.
Yes, sir.
The end of sound. Okay, next. Which of the following types of motion are possessed by a merry-go-round? Naren, do you remember what is merry-go-round? I have taught you. Something will be circular. Understanding. Some rod will be middle. Some baby will stand here. We used to rotate.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
called
sir.
as merry-go-round. So what kind of motions has been represented by merry-go-round? Please tell me. Which of the following types of motion?
Circular. A and C.
It is not a periodic motion. It is few times speed, few times slow, like that it will go. Then you can say.
So, sir, A and D.
D. Understand?
D.
Is A and D.
D.
So it is A and D because rotational motion and as well as circular motion. Is it yes or no? Rotational motion and as well as circular motion. That is why this option will come. That is, you understanding all of you? Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is. Next, a meter scale can be measure lengths accurately up to what? Meter scale they are saying. Meter scale means how much?
Meter scale means
Meter scale means
1
1 meter. Do you understand?
1 meter.
1 meter. So maximum it can
1
measure
meter.
accurately. 1 meter. 1 meter equals how many centimeters? 100 centimeters.
100 centimeter.
That's all. Understand now, Neswaran? Sanat? Pranav? That is.
Yes, sir.
Which
Yes,
are the
sir.
following types of motion are possessed by a football? Football they are asking. Football rolling on the ground. Football rolling on the ground. Observe very carefully. Football rolling on the ground. Ground. So that what is happening? Two kinds of motion.
BNC.
Huh?
BNC.
Periodic motion, sir.
BNC.
Yeah, football.
BNC.
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 Yeah, rectilinear motion and as well as
BNC.
circular motion. Very good. Understanding? B and C. So which option is correct? This one. Understand, Ra? So you can observe here, when the ball is rolling on the ground, you can see always it will go in a straight line, means it is rectilinear, and always it will be in a circular, understanding, rotating, so that it is called as circular motion. Do you understand, Ra? Okay, Va?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one, last question. Observe. Navaneswaran. Hey, nice Gundu. Hey, nice. Looks very handsome. Last question. All of you take your notebooks and convert. The distance between Anushka's home and Devika's home is 1425 meters. The distance is equals to how many kilometers? Find it. All of you should say
1 kilometer,
1
425 meter. 1 kilometer, 400.
One
Answer C.
4 to 5 kilometer.
They are saying 1425 meters. Then you please tell me which is equals how many kilometers. You have to,
425 kilometer.
very good, Narayan.
Sir, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters, sir.
1 meter equals to reverse. We want 1 meter now, Neswaran here. 1 meter here. We want 1 by 1,000.
Sir,
kilometers.
1.4
Very good.
425 kilometers, sir.
1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meters. From this 1 meter equals how much? Now, Neswaran. 1 meter equals how much? 1 by 1,000. Is
1
it
by
no?
1,000.
1 by 1,000 kilometers. So here they are asking 1,1425 meters. So which is equals to how I can write?
What?
1,425 into, in place of meter, what I can write? Navaneswaran, Sanat. 1 by 1,000 kilometers. Do you understanding, all of you? Now, as we know that
Yes,
I have already taught you the shortcut. Here division we have a three zeros, so that 3 digits before I will keep the 0. Is it yes or no? That's all. So which is equal to how much? 1.425 kilometers, which is equals to 1,425 meters. So which is equals to which option?
Sir, that one is, sir. I also said.
Yeah, very good, Lohit, you are. Which option is correct, Sanat?
1.425.
Option C. Understand, Navaneswaran? Are you clear or not? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
You, Pranav. Solve this question.
Okay,
Narrative
clear,
also
sir.
solve in notebook. This important question. Solve in notebook, all of you. You must solve. This is a numerical. You may get in exam also, like this sum. Solve it, all of you. Hey, Sanat, solve it.
Sir, what is the question, sir?
This is the question. This question, 52 question, you solve it.
Sir, you have converted, sir. You have given some new questions, sir.
Sir, this one, no, sir. You have,
Okay, then I will
normally
give you
we
question.
will have 10.
All right. Write the question. The distance between, write the question, same question, another type of model I will say. The distance between Narayan's and Sanat's home is Narayan's and Sanat's home is, the distance between Narayan's and Sanat's home is 0.75 kilometer. 0.75 kilometer. 0.75 kilometer. I'm saying, Pranav, are you there in meeting? Please tell me, respond me. What happened?
Sir,
Yeah, 0.75 kilometers. I'm asking. Do you understanding? Then the distance
Yes,
is equal to
sir.
dash meters. Then find the distance in meters. That is what you write. Then find the distance in meters. Then find the distance in meters. So now which relation you have to use? This first relation or second relation? This is first relation, this is second relation. Which one?
First relation.
Yeah,
First
kilometers to
relation.
meters.
First
We have to
relation,
use first relation. Very good, Navaneswaran. Solve it and tell me how much, Narayan. This much time Sanath solve, right? Not at all solving, Sanath. Bad boy. Pranav, answer Solapa. Narayan, how much,
Sir,
Ram?
75 meters.
What are you talking? 3 zeros, Ray. Observe very
Okay,
carefully.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
How much, Narayan? This much time. Very bad it is. Sanath, see, simply sitting, not at all doing. Now, Sanath, show me your notes. Solve it fastly. Use this relation, multiply with 1,000. That's all correct. So they have given 0.75 kilometers. So what we'll do? We'll write 0.75 into 1 kilometer. So as we know that 1 kilometer equals to how many meters? Logit? 1 kilometer equals
1,000 meters, sir.
1,000 meters. That's all. So 0.75 into 1,000 meters.
0.75.
So please all of you multiply this and tell me which is equals to, you can check.
0.0750000.
Yeah. 1,000 C. 1,000 meters is in multiplication. So that 3 digits of
0.750000.
no, wrong, Lohit. Multiplication, don't know. This is multiplication, not division. So answer will come 750 meters. Is it yes or no? You check it. Is it correct?
Wait, sir, 1 minute, sir. I will do.
You check the multiplication. Very good, Narayan. 750 meters. Now, Neswaran, what is your answer? Are you getting 750?
Sir, 750 meters, sir.
Forget about it. For
750
example, you see. For example, you see. Forget about the decimal. How to do fast calculation? 75 ones are how much? Ra? 75 ones are how much? 75 ones are 75. Correct or not? And 3 zeros
Yes, sir.
exactly you keep it. 3 zeros are there. 3 zeros you keep it. And how many digits before decimal is there? How many digits before decimal is there? 2 digits before. So that
2 digits. 2
yeah,
digits.
2 digits before you keep the point. That's all. Which is equals to how much? 2 digits before you will keep the decimal, which is equals to 750 meters. That's all. Correct or not? 750 meters. Understand?
Sir, 750 meters.
Pranav?
yes, sir.
Clear? Like this you have to solve. Can you solve one more sum? Like this, Narayan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because we are not solving correct, that is why. So here we solve it. Right, all of you. Now, right. The distance between Pranav and Navaneswaran homies. The distance between Pranav's and Navaneswaran homies 9,500 centimeters. 9,500 centimeters. Centimeter ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಎಂದಾರ
Sir,
centimeter.
9,000.
9,500 centimeters. centimeters. Then find it in meters. Sanath, on the video, and I need to see your answer. Pranav, you also solve it. Now, which relation we have to use, Narayan? Please speak. I am saying 9,500 centimeters. And I am asking as convert into meters. So which
1 by
relation you have to
1000,
use?
1 by 100 meters, sir.
1
1 by
by
100
100
meters.
meters. Very good. Do
1
it
by
now,
100
Sanat.
meters.
So as we know that 1 meter equals how many centimeters, Sanat? 1 meter equals how many centimeters?
100
100
centimeters.
centimeters. So from that 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meters. Correct or not,
1 by
Narayan?
100 centimeters.
Yeah, that's all. Solve it now. So how I can write 9,500 into 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equals to what, Pranav? What
1
is
by
that?
100
1 by
centimeter.
100
1 by
meters.
100 centimeters.
Meter, sorry.
Meters, ra?
Meter,
Okay.
meter,
Into
meter, sir.
1 by 100 meters. So 0000 will get cancelled, which is equals to how much? 95 meters, which is equals to how much, Ra? 95 meters, which is equals to how much?
95
9,500 centimeters. Now, let me see who is
9,000.
very smart. Very smart. Convert this 95 meters into kilometers. Kilometers. Now, we have to convert it into kilometers. Let me see who will do fastly. Fastly, how to solve it. Now, which relation we have to use? Already we are using this relation so many times. Meters to kilometer, I am asking. So, which relation we have to use? 1 meter is equals
1
to
by
1 by
1 by
1000
1000
kilometer. Very good. So all of you solve it. How much it is? Tell me, please. So I can write this one as like this. How I can write 95 meters, which is equals to how I can write, Logit. Sanat, tell me, Naren. 95
meters.
into 1 meter I can write. Is it yes or no?
1 meter.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Now
sir.
we know already 1 meter is equals to how many kilometers? 1 by 1000 kilometer. That's all. So now you please do it, all of you. 95 into 1 by 1000 kilometers. 1 by 1000 kilometers. So what I said the shortcut, Naren? Navaneswaran here. What is the shortcut? Three zeros are there. So
3 zeros.
3 digits before you have to keep the decimal. That's all. But here only 2 digits are there. So that one more zero we have to add it. 0. Understanding? 0.095 meter.
Meter.
0.095
0.95
meter.
meter.
Is it? Oh, sorry, kilometers. Meter illa. Sorry, kilometers, sir. Ah, kilometers. That is. Understand, Narayan, Sanat, Pranav, Navaneswaran?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Solve it. Solve it. Neatly. See. 6th class means you have to be like this only. Now, see, Narayan, observe all of you, look into the board here. I have given centimeters. But finally we have converted into which meters? Kilometers. Understand, Ra? So, we are using two-step process here. Correct or not? Centimeters are converting into meters and later meters are converting into kilometers. So, when in the exam, when they have given two-step process like this, centimeters to kilometers, you have to solve in this way. Do you understand? First, you have to convert into kilometers and later you have to convert it into kilometers. Do you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Narayan? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. So, go to next. Yeah. So now, that is what I will send that slide to you. No problem. I will send that slide to you. You can maintain as a record also. You can save it. Now, let us go to the next. So, we'll move to the next one.
Yes,
One
sir.
more question, Narayan. Oh, okay. One more question like this. Can I give? Okay, I will give right now. Last one. Distance between Lohit and Narayan's home is right. Distance between Lohit and Narayan's home is. I think everybody names I have used correct. The last question. Distance between Lohit and Narayan's home is. 1.075 kilometers. 1.075 kilometers. 1.075 kilometers. How much it is? 1.075 kilometers.
1.075 kilometers.
Then convert it into centimeters, not meters, centimeters I am asking. So two-step process it is. So what we have to do, any idea first? Kilometers I have given and I am asking centimeters. So first we have to convert it into what? Kilometers to Meters. Very good. Then meters to centimeter. Start solving now. Let me see who will solve first. You have to solve it. On. What is the given question? Tell me, Ra. What is the given question? Given how much, Naren? Sanat, tell me now,
1.075 kilometers.
1.075. Correct or not? So given value is 1.075 kilometers. This is the distance between Narayan's and Navaneswaran. Sorry, Lokit home. Now we want find it in which units are centimeters. Do you understand it? So now you know that. So as we know, first you have to convert into two-step process. Actually, directly also you can convert it. I have taught you the relation kilometers and centimeters, but few times you may get confused. So that is why we will convert into first meters. So let me convert into meters. So 1.075 kilometers.
1075 meters.
Wait, which is equals to wrong, Lohit. Which is equals to 1000. Oh, very good. Meters, correct? Meters. Now, as we know that 1 kilometer equals to how many meters? Now, Neswaran, 1 kilometer equals to how many meters?
1/1000 meters.
Hey, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer equals to, we know.
1000 meters, sir.
Very good. 1000 meters. So this is what we know. Now, 1.075 kilometers. How I can write? Tell me. You have to tell me. I should not say every time. 1.075 into 1 kilometer. I can write it. Is it correct or not? Right or wrong? Yes. Now, in place of, see, even your seniors
Sir,
also don't know.
1075 is correct only,
Yes,
sir.
yes, correct only, Lohit. So 1.075 into, see, your seniors, what they will do, you know, they will write 1 kilometer, again 1000 meters they will write. That stupid fellows don't know. In place of, we are substituting this. Still, I will find in class 10th. Like it only will do, Narayan. Understand, Ra? They will write kilometer and as well as even this also they will write. Is it possible? 2 units will come in the same number? Not possible. Understand? That is also they don't know. Yeah, very good, Sanat. Hey, wrong, Sanat. 1075 centimeters illa, meters.
1025 meters.
Now you can see multiply with 1000 meters. So how many zeros are there here? 3 zeros are there. So 3 digits after
Three
decimal will come, which is equals to 1000 into 1075. Understand?
1075 meters.
That's all. 1075 meters. Any doubt in this? Please ask me, all of you. Clear? So
Clear only, sir.
1.075 kilometers is equals to 1075 meters. But our answer is not end. We want to find in which units? Centimeters. Correct or not? So
Yes, sir.
again we have to apply. We know what we know, Ra? We know 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters.
100
That's all.
centimeters.
So now you write it. 1075. Understanding? 1075 meters. I can write as a 1075 into 1 meter. Please write it. 1075 into 1 meter. So now 1 meter equals how much, Ra? Navaneswaran. Pranav, speak, Pranav.
1075 1/100 centimeters.
Wrong. Loki,
Meter is
don't
equal
get
to
confused.
100
We are converting
centimeters.
meter. We are converting meter to centimeter. So 1/100 or into 100?
Sir.
Be careful, Lohit. Don't get
1/.
confused. We are converting bigger to smaller. So multiplication. Understand? So
Yes, sir,
1
yes, sir.
meter is equals to 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So please, all of you do it. What it will come? 1075 into 1 are 1075. Next, double zero will come.
107500.
That's all. So what is this value? Read, all of you. What is this value? Read it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 1 lakh. What is this? 1,75,000 centimeter. Correct or not?
1,75,000.
Prinjita Priyala, Sullappa. All of you.
No, sir.
1,75,000. So understanding? Sorry, one.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you have. Sir,
Not 1 lakh, 1,75,000 not. 1,07,500. 1,07,500 centimeter.
Sir, you have put the comma wrongly, sir.
Oh, okay, wrong. Sorry. That is what. Do it, all of you. Solve it. Now, can I say you this is how you write in a beautiful way? Actually, physics we should not write the answer in this method. Actually, if you write the final answer in this method, in physics it is not correct representation. Actually, in physics always we have to write like this. How I will say? Listen. So now let us imagine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correct. So I can write like this: 1.075 into 10 power 5 centimeter. That's all. This is the correct representation of answer in the physics. Do you understanding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? Maneswaran, any doubt in this?
Sir. Yes, sir. There's you have into only 1.7705 into 10.
10 power 5.
There's
10
a
power
small
5 is again, this decimal will go that side. Understand? That is indicating. So now you see, Narayan and Sanath, everybody listen. This is what the 2-mark question or 3-mark question they will ask. You have to follow this method, Sanath. But sometimes directly they will ask. But see, MCQ question I will ask. By the time, you should not waste this much time. What we have to do means, directly you have to make it. As we know that 1 kilometer is equals to how many centimeters? Directly you can check it. 1,000 meters and 1,000 into 100 centimeters, which is equals how much, Narayan? 1,000 into 100. 1,000 into 100, 1 lakh. Correct or not? 1 lakh centimeters, which is equals to 1 lakh. How I can write? Tell me. 10 power 5 centimeters.
10 power
Correct or not?
5 centimeters.
1 kilometer is equals to 10 power 5 centimeter. Navaneswaran, come. This is very important. So 10 power 5 centimeter it is. So this is what the relation. Now you can say directly you can substitute. What is the given value, Narayan? 1.075 kilometers. Is it correct or not? Yes or no? So directly I can write like this. Pranav, observe and tell me. 1.075. 1.075 into 1 kilometer I can write it. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? Now, 1 kilometer equals to how many centimeters? Directly we have done. 1 kilometer equals to how many centimeters here? How many? 10 power 5 centimeters. 10 power 5 centimeters.
power 5 centimeter.
Directly 1.075 into 10 power 5 centimeters. That's all. Our answer is over. So if you remember this relation, relation between kilometers and centimeters, directly we have received the answer. Have you noticed it? Both the answers are same. Correct, Rasanath? Have you checked it? Now, Nesaran?
Sir.
Both the answers is same. This is the general method you have to use, and this is the shortcut. That is the importance of learning relations. Very, very important throughout our life. 1 kilometer equals to 10 power 5 centimeter. 10 power 5 centimeter. Just if you multiply with that, that is what our answer. We have got the same answer or not, Lohit? Pranav?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Our
Yes,
answer
sir.
is enough. Carry on. So that is solve it, all of you.
Okay, sir.
Very simple, correct? So now somebody will ask you, what is the relationship between kilometers and centimeters? How much it is? 10 power 5 centimeters. Understand, Ra? Now, say the reverse relation. Let me see who will say. 1 kilometer is equals to, now Neshwaran, concentrate here. 1 kilometer equals to, I am saying 10 power 5 centimeters. From that, can you able to say 1 centimeter equals to how many kilometers? Narayan, Sanath, everybody? 1 centimeter equals to how many kilometers? I want. What? Now, Neshwaran, I have taught you when you came to my home. 1 by 10 power 5. Correct or not? 1 by... This will come here. It is in multiplication. Will go this side. It will become division. So 1 by 10 power 5 kilometers is equals to 1 centimeter. This is the relationship between kilometers and centimeters. Please note it down. Relationship between kilometers and centimeters. Write it and remember. Is it completed? Some noise is coming. Okay. Do it that. If it is completed, then we can move to next question. Shall we say? Yeah, ready, all of you. Next questions. Ready? Answer. Next question. All of you read the question. Sanat, Logit, everybody. Next, what is that? The most convenient unit for measuring the thickness of a coin. Thickness of a coin, I have taught you. Smaller unit we will use. Thickness of a coin. Convenient of a coin.
Millimeter.
What is
Millimeter.
that? Millimeter. Very, very
Millimeter.
important. Narayan, I will send these pictures, not required. You answer enough. Okay? So millimeter. Why? Because the thickness of the coin is more or less. More or less. Very small. Very small. We will use understanding smaller unit of length. Understand? Next, a bicycle is moving on a straight road. A bicycle is moving on a straight road. Which of the following type of motion are experienced by it?
Motion, answer C.
Rectilinear motion. Is it another any motion?
No,
Straight line.
sir.
Straight line.
sir.
No, sir.
No, but you can say one more option is there. Suppose if it is going uniformly, you can see bicycle is moving in a straight road. Yeah, uniformly means same distance for same period of time. Which one? Same distance for same period of time. Periodic motion. That is what. So rectilinear and periodic. We don't have any option. Here two options are given. So rotational and circular motion won't come. So that periodic and rectilinear motion. Where there option? Not at all there. Correct or not? Sorry. Actually, periodic motion is wrong. So here you can see. Yeah, very good. What you said. So if your bicycle is moving, it is moving in a straight road. It is what? Rectilinear motion. Next, wheels are rotating always. So what is that? Wheels are
Rotational motion.
axis. That is, I forgot it. Sorry. That is rotational motion. That is
Rotational
why.
motion, sir.
What is the answer? Rectilinear. B and C. Where is their option? B and C. Take it. B and C. B and C. Which option? Option B. Very good. Option B. Rotational motion and rectilinear motion. Next. The height of a man is 1.56 meters. Yesterday I have given activity. That is, the height is equals to how many? Please tell me. The height of a man is 1.56 meters. Equals to. Let me see.
D.
Wrong.
1560 centimeters.
Wrong. Narayan. You are wrong. Wrong, Narayan. Can I say? Please. Mute. What they have given? 1.56 meters they have given. So as we know, 1 meter equals how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Navaneswaran and Narayan, remember, answers they have given in centimeters, so that this is not correct not. Millimeter also correct answer. Be careful. Understanding? So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Now you can check it. Which is equals to how I can write? 1.56 into 1 meter. Logic noise is coming around. Okay. Now, which is equals to 1.56 into 1 meter equals how much, Narayan? On the video, Sanat, you also. Which is equals how much, Pranav? 100 centimeters. Multiply with the two zeros only present. So, 2 digits after it will go, which is equals to 156 centimeter. So, is it any option is there? 156 centimeters? Not there. Have you checked it? 156 millimeters is there. Centimeters is there. So, 560 centimeters is wrong. Understand, Narayan? Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the answer? Check it. Convert it into millimeters. As we know, 1 centimeter equals how many millimeters? Narayan?
10 millimeters.
10 millimeters. Understanding? That you have to multiply. So 156 into 1 centimeter, which is equals to 156 into 10 millimeters. Multiply it and tell me how much it is? 1560 millimeters.
Oh, sir. 156. What's it? 1560. I have a doubt, sir.
Millimeters. What option? Which option is correct?
Sir, I have.
Do you have doubt, Navaneswaran?
Yes, sir. First time I have seen this, sir.
See, this is 156
This like
centimeters.
since I
we
have
got.
seen
Is it
first
yes or no?
time.
Clear? Any doubt? Clear? Any doubt? 156 centimeter.
Clear, sir. In exam, this like question will become highest standard.
Higher standard simply will come. Understanding? Even they will ask you kilometers and millimeters, sir. Kilometers and millimeters they will ask you. By the time you can see 3-step process. Kilometers to meters, meters to centimeters, centimeters to meter, millimeters. Understand? Have you understand Narayan this question? 1550 millimeters. Solve it. All of you solve this question. Very important question. Next one. One of the following types of motion will not be exhibited by the moon. Moon will not be exhibited by the moon. Imagine moon means what? This is Earth and moon is revolving around that. So what is that? Huh? Rectilinear motion. Very good. Understanding. Rectilinear motion. Very nice. Next. Which one of the following is the smallest unit of length? Smallest unit. Smallest unit.
Millimeter.
Millimeters. Smallest unit is millimeters. Next, last question. The tip of a second's hand. The tip of a second's hand. Watch. Wall clock. The tip of a second's hand of a clock is colored red. Is colored red. Which of the following types of motion will be exhibited by the red color tip of the second's hand of this clock? What is that? Second.
Rotational motion and periodic motion.
Yeah, very good. Rotational motion and periodic motion. So which is period B. That's all. Option A. Because it has been fixed to the knob so that it is rotational motion always. Rotational motion and as well as periodic motion. So that is why. After every seconds, how many seconds? Second hand. After every 60 seconds. Correct or not? Seconds and after every 60 seconds it will make the same rotation.
Periodic motion. Periodic motion.